This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 13th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather cool and breezy today with a sunny sky, and we have potential for a late season freeze early tomorrow morning and early Wednesday morning, and chance of another freeze in here by Sunday morning and Monday morning of next week with a secondary shot of cold air coming in here. So pattern looks kind of chilly for a little bit. Let's take a look at the upper air look across the country today. We have broad troughing forming over the eastern United States, and that's delivering the cool air. And the air is dry. Visible satellite view, the sky mostly sunny across the state with a few scattered high cirrus clouds around. And we are dry. Got a little bit of rain off the Louisiana coast moving to the south, and we will be dry through Thursday. Temperatures indeed are well below average. Birmingham at 55. That's about 10 degrees below average. Only upper 40s for Cullman and Haleyville at mid-afternoon. Huntsville 51. Down to the south, we have mid-60s for Mobile and Dothan. So here's your freeze warning for tonight. The counties in the darker shades of blue, that goes all the way down into Choctaw, Clark, Wilcox, Butler, and Crenshaw counties. The counties in light blue, that is a freeze watch. And again, really, this is for the next 2 nights. So growers beware. And you know what I say every year? I don't even need to say it here because you know, but if you want to plant something harmed by a freeze, wait until when? April 15th. Good advice every year. And around the rest of the nation, a really big-time winter storm unfolding, a nor'easter for the northeast United States. They will be buried in snow for the interior parts of New York State up into New England. Winter storm warnings in effect there, and also some winter weather issues back in the western states. We have a marginal risk of severe storms through tonight for the Florida Peninsula, especially south of Interstate 4. Tomorrow, no severe weather expected across the country. Same thing on Wednesday. But on Thursday, which is day 4, we have a risk of severe storms defined for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. And a lot of times when you see that, Alabama winds up with a severe weather threat the next day. But in this case, we think not, as you'll see in modeling. Here's the rain for the next 7 days for Alabama. The bulk of this will be Friday. Rain amounts about 1 inch for the state, maybe a little more for the southern counties of the state. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got a very deep trough over the northeast, and again setting the stage for a really big-time snowstorm there. You can see a deep surface low near Boston with heavy snow and wind. But around here, just cold and dry. We start the day for the northern half of the state between 25 and 35. We'll see a big spread. The high will be back in the 50s and 60s with a sunny sky. These are the anomalies. Temperature anomalies tomorrow. We're deep in the green. We're well below average. Wednesday morning will be cold again. Again, for many places, lows between 25 and 35. South Alabama will easily see some frost with a clear sky and light wind. Then the high should be in the 60s. This is Thursday. We'll be close to 70 for the northern half of the state. 70s are likely in South Alabama. And you can see the next storm off to the west, a surface low near Kansas City with ice and snow north and west of that, and rain and storms south and east of that feature. And again, there could be a few severe storms Thursday over parts of eastern Texas, southeast Oklahoma, maybe the southwest corner of Arkansas. So Friday, that batch of rain comes in here, and again, the primary surface low is moved up to the Great Lakes. A secondary low forms in the northern Gulf of Mexico, and that is not a severe weather look. And if you look at the instability values on Friday, there's just basically no instability across the state. So again, Friday will be wet. There could be some elevated storms. The main chance of any strong storms will be near the Gulf Coast, and even that's a little iffy if this verifies. And again, rain amounts on Friday should be around 1 inch. Should be a fairly good rain. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, another shot of cold air drops in here. Saturday's high from Birmingham north could be in the 40s, with 50s and 60s over South Alabama. And the day will be sunny. And then Sunday, again, another late season freeze likely. Sunday morning lows, I'd say, in the 20s in many spots. This could be even colder than the air we're seeing right now. 20s for North Alabama, 30s for the southern counties of the state. This might drive a freeze deep into South Alabama early Sunday morning. And the day Sunday will be sunny with 50s for North Alabama, 60s to the south. And this is a week from today, Monday, the 20th of March. A little trough off to the west, but we are still dry and cool. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, March 23rd. Got a shortwave trough coming through and rain over south and east Alabama. So it looks like rain will probably come back by the middle part of next week, maybe Wednesday. At this point, probably not a severe weather look. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. This is between now and the 30th of March. The amount's a little over 3 inches based on the mean. That's that green line. And let's look at the national blend of models. This is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. And you can see the numbers there. It's got 31 tomorrow morning, 30 on Wednesday morning. But again, many spots north of the city will be in the mid to upper 20s. We bounce back to near 70 Thursday and Friday. And here comes the next shot of colder air for the weekend. And again, we're down to freezing again by Sunday morning and Monday morning of next week. And the latest guides don't have the new one for today yet. This is issued yesterday, but still much of the contiguous United States will likely be below average in the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for March 20th through March 26th. And what do we do here? We roll some Pepsi Kid Cam video. Hello to my buddies in the 3rd grade at Asheville Elementary School, home of the Asheville Bulldogs. You guys are looking good. Had a great time today, and wow, the kids were just so good, and love that We Are Asheville shirt. My uncle used to be the mayor of Asheville. Got some goodies too. Wow, that was really good. But again, thanks to all the kids. Yeah, my mom's family is from Asheville in St. Clair County. And from there was on to Hoover, South Shades Crest Elementary School. Had a big crowd of first graders in the lunchroom, and they were looking good today. Talking about this chilly weather. Looking at the teachers there, they do a great job. And look at those cookies. I like those. And I like the cookie with a message, respect the polygon. That's what you do when the weather gets dangerous. But again, to all the first graders at South Shades Crest in Hoover, had a great, great time today. So that's it for the afternoon briefing. Don't forget, let's see, look at the schedule. First off, we have a book signing Saturday in Fairhope. I'm excited about this one. Love the Eastern Shore of Mobile Bay. We will be at the Kind Cafe from 11:30 until 2:30. We'll be there for 3 hours on Saturday. That's on North Section Street. It's the big arts and crafts weekend in Fairhope. Should be a big crowd there, and we'll have all the books and the shirts and the hats. And again, we take a lot of pictures and have a lot of fun at those. So Fairhope, our book signing Saturday. Tomorrow, Ranburne High School in Randolph County. I'm sorry, in Cleburne County. I should know that. It's almost to Randolph, but Ranburne High School in Cleburne County, and then Oak Grove Elementary School in Jefferson County. Wednesday, Vestavia Day School. Thursday, Center Elementary in Cherokee County. Then Alexandria Elementary School in Calhoun County. And then Friday, we got Faith Academy in Trustful. And then after that, we'll be at Fairhope. Saturday for the book signing, and Monday of next week going to Robertsdale Elementary School, way down there near the Gulf Coast. So, again, notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com, and of course, we do invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News in the studio right across the hall, Studio A at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.